All right, it's Wednesday, February 19th, just following up on the SPY. You can see here it has followed through higher towards kind of its first target. I bought it here after the breakout of these first four bars here on bar number 5, right around this blue line, expecting it to move up. It paused a little bit and now it's headed up towards its first target, which to me was this pivot area right here on the intraday, the pre-market kind of action. And I expected that high of yesterday to be taken out. When I look and see a green bar from yesterday that kind of pulls back and has a red to green move to hold, the midpoint of that bar, you expect that high to be taken out. So to me, this was the first target right in here. Our next target's up above at the pre-market highs. So I decided to scale out at the first target. I bought the 605 calls as described in that first video at 661. I scaled out at 720 when it hit the that first target. We're up to 741 right now. So we're almost getting a point higher. And again, this would be the next target until structure breaks down on the intraday chart. As long as it kind of continues higher and has orderly pausing along the way, that's kind of what you're expecting. As I've discussed many times now on SPY videos, I'm anticipating some kind of a breakout of this all-time highs. Like I said, we've had this megaphone, higher highs, lower lows, higher highs, and when we couldn't come down and make lower lows, we came to about the midway point of this big picture chart and kind of held here. We got brought in buying each of these weeks, even when we gapped down. We had the 2-up week last week. So to me, it looks like we're pausing more at these all-time highs versus trying to reverse there. And when you pause there and eventually breaks out, it sets up a whole potential new leg higher. Now again, that's my expectation until proven otherwise. If this weekly chart comes below its open and then closes red and has a 2-down week, then we could be failing at the highs, kind of like it happened up here this time. But given that you're looking at, is it going to fail and come all the way back down, or is it just kind of pausing at a key area? This price action seems to be a pause more at the all-time highs with a potential breakout higher. So I'm biased to the upside. Today was a good day, to kind of watch opening price action after the, move, little hammer bar yesterday. That was green. And once it kind of paused for 4 bars, and then broke out on bar 5, this was to me a very good buy opportunity intraday and also for the big picture with some targets above. So you can see we're moving nicely higher now. We're getting up to almost 611.75. It's not that much volatility, but it's still nice gains relative to the price action. So again, bought the option 661, scaled out at 720. They're asking 748 right now, almost 750 on the ask. So we will see if it continues to the next target. And again, this was a good short-term little buyer here, given this opening price action breaking out of the first 4 bars.